In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a stop-motion animation using Premiere Elements. The example animation I'm going to show you is a puzzle putting itself together. To create an animation in Premiere Elements, you bring in a series of pictures and then you show them rapidly, like a very fast slideshow. When you bring a picture into Premiere Elements, though, the default image duration is 5 seconds. It stays on the screen for 5 seconds. We need to have it stay on the screen for about a tenth of a second. So we need to change the image duration, default image duration. To do this, we go to Edit, Preferences, General, and right here where we have still image default duration, it says 5 seconds. We could try to change that to 0.1, but it'll default back to 1 second. So we have to go to Frames and then change this to 3, which is a tenth of a second, and then hit OK. Now every picture that we bring in will last a tenth of a second. Now we're going to bring our pictures in. We go to Add Media, Files and Folders. I have a folder set up with all my pictures for my puzzle that I'm putting together. I could bring them in with individual pictures, but the easier way is to select the entire folder and say Import Folder. This will bring all the pictures in at one time. And I'll be able to see my pictures here under Project Assets. Now I'm going to take all my pictures that are in the folder, take the entire folder, and drop it on Video 1. Now, once I do that, each picture now is a tenth of a second. So when I push play, my animation is created. You may have noticed in the animation I had one shot where a hand got in the shot that shouldn't have been there. So before I export and share my video, I would do some simple editing. If I do my zoom lever, I can see each individual picture easier. I'm not changing the timing, I'm simply changing how I can view it on the screen. If I arrow over, I can find the hand shot. It's right here. So what I need to do now is I'm just going to remove that. So I'm going to click on the one that has the hand shot to highlight it, right click, delete and close gap, and now that hand shot is out and my animation looks a lot better. The final step is to export the pictures out and to create a video file. When you bring pictures into Premiere Elements, it doesn't actually bring the pictures in. It points to where the pictures are. They're still in the same location and the program points to it. In order to create an animation or animation video, you need to export and share the pictures, and that will crunch all the pictures together, create a video, and then you can have one file that you can use. To do this, we're going to go to Export and Share. I'm going to say what I'm going to give a name to my video. I'm going to tell it where to put it. I'll put it on the desktop, and then just simply hit Save. The program then takes all the pictures, pushes them together with the speed that I gave it, and now I'll have my video file. You can see here, this is the file I just created. If I double click on it, it will start playing, and it will play just like any regular video file.